Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import data into R. Importing data is the essential first step for any meaningful analysis in R. We will cover how to bring in common data formats such as comma-separated values, Excel spreadsheets, and plain text files. Understanding these methods allows you to prepare your datasets for powerful statistical computations and visualizations. We will explore the fundamental functions and packages that make this process straightforward and efficient. Let's start with CSV and text files, which are very common. For comma-separated values, the read CSV function is your go-to tool. If your data uses a different separator like a tab or semicolon, read table is more versatile. Remember to set the header argument to true if your file includes column names in the first row. Also, consider sep for specifying the delimiter and strings as factors for character columns. Importing data from Excel files requires a dedicated package, and Reexcel is a fantastic choice. First, you'll need to install it using Install, Packages, Reexcel, and then load it into your R session with library Reexcel. Once loaded, the Read Excel function can effortlessly handle both modern XLSX and older XLS file formats. You can also specify which sheet to import using the sheet argument, making it very flexible for multi-sheet workbooks. Beyond basic files, R can import from many other sources like databases or web APIs, often requiring specific packages. After importing, it's crucial to inspect your data structure using functions like str or summary. Verify that column types are correct and that the number of rows and columns matches your expectations. Proactively handling missing values and cleaning inconsistent data will save you significant time during your analysis. These best practices ensure your data is ready for robust statistical modeling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.